Well, here we are, trying to find a spot to get into the canyon.
Let's go.
Yeah, we think we see a spot up ahead there, a little pool down there. And then up above that, looks like an entry point. Yeah. Where are we headed today?
Where are we headed? Into the canyon.
What's the name of this canyon?
What is the name?
What's the name of this canyon, Carrie?
Chop.
Shop.
Chop rock.
Chopped rock.
Shop?
Chopped.
Chopped
Chop
rock.
rock.
Chopped Rock Canyon. How are the boys? Yeah, problem solving. Lots of problem solving on this one. Wow. Spectacular part of the world. Southern Utah. Canyoning. Wow. Oh, wow. This is amazing. I just rappelled down into this canyon. Let's go to life size. There we go. Yeah, wow. So I just came down there. See the rope out of that little hole. This is so cool. Southern Utah. Wow.